gonna be, but I don't like those.
Yeah, so on this episode of Gauges and Gasoline, we're going to be changing the oil on my 2006 Chevy Cobalt.
And then we're tossing his glasses. No, okay, so, all right, so on this episode, we're gonna be changing the what?
Oil.
The oil.
On my 2006
Oh,
Chevy.
on this episode, we're gonna be changing the oil on my 2006 Chevy Cobalt.
So if you haven't subscribed or liked to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and like to the channel. As you can go ahead and remove your engine cover, and then you can access your oil dipstick right here, and your oil filter is going to be right here. And also this is your oil filter cap if you don't already know, and it's going to take 5 quarts of 5W30. I already have an oil socket that's made for this type of filter cap, but if you don't have one, you can just use a deep socket that fits it as well. And we're just gonna let that sit there and let that drain. Then we're gonna go underneath and drain the oil from the pan. What's up, YouTube fam? If I can just have a click of your time, I want to take this opportunity to tell you about vidIQ. vidIQ gives you top keyword opportunities so you can do top search terms for your channel. It also shows you your overall performance versus your competitors. So if you want to start using vidIQ today, use my special link in the description below, vidIQ/GaugesNGasoline, to try it today for free. Oil filter out. So you always want to replace your O-ring. You never want to reuse these because it will leak. Pop the new oil filter on. Lube your new O-ring with a little bit of oil. Twist them back in there. You're gonna tighten them down. It's only 25 Newton meters, so you only need to go nice and snug. Just like that. Now we're going to put in 5 quarts of our 5W30. Alright, so that's going to do it for the oil change. So I have to finish putting all this back together, but I have other work that I'm doing to it right now, so for now I'm just going to put the cap on. But the oil change is complete. I used 5W30 full synthetic high mileage. That's what I recommend if you have high mileage on your Cobalt. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and reset our oil light. And it's really easy. All you're going to do is put the key in position 2 and hit your gas pedal all the way to the floor 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that should reset out oil light. And it has.